The ability to live without debt is a dream shared by many. Without being burdened by debt or financial worry, it is having enough money to sustain your desired way of life. Financial freedom can be attained by anyone who is prepared to put forth the necessary effort, but it does involve hard work and discipline. This video will give you 7 actions that are sure to make it possible for you to reach financial freedom in this situation. Setting financial objectives, paying down debt, saving money for an emergency, planning for the future, living within your means, boosting your income, and maintaining discipline are some of these actions. The independence and peace of mind that come with financial security can be yours if you take these measures to take charge of your finances.
Number 1. Your monetary goals should be in writing. The first step toward achieving financial freedom is to establish a clear set of financial goals. This includes creating a budget and determining how much money you must set aside in order to achieve your goals. Number 2. Reducing debt. It takes overcoming debt to get financial freedom. Make a plan for paying off your debts with high interest rates first, such credit cards, by creating a repayment schedule. Number 3. Organize a cash reserve. Unexpected expenses may prevent you from reaching your financial objectives. You should build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in it to get you through any financial difficulties. Number 4. Save money aside for the future. To become financially independent, you must build wealth. Begin by making investments in a varied portfolio of equities, bonds, and mutual funds that are consistent with your financial objectives and risk tolerance. Number 5. Maintain reasonable spending. Not spending all of your money suggests that you are living within your means. It could be required to alter one's way of life, such as cutting back on unnecessary expenditures. Number 6. Pay attention to boosting your income. Your financial objectives may be accomplished more quickly if your income increases. If you want to boost your earning potential, think about asking for a raise, starting a side business, or getting more education or training. Number 7. Be obedient. It takes perseverance and determination to achieve financial freedom. To stay on track, be dedicated to your objectives and make necessary adjustments. To be financially free, you must be patient, persistent, and disciplined. Yet by adhering to these 7 steps, you can lay a strong foundation for financial success and take pleasure in the independence and peace of mind that come with having enough money. For more life topics on the paths in life,